Hey everyone, my name is Parth and I'm the founder of Neobloc. Today, I'd like to showcase how you can turn your Anki flashcards into multiple choice and short answer quizzes with Neobloc. To get started, the first thing we'll do is go to Anki and export some flashcards. In order to do this, we'll go to File and Export. From here, select Notes and Plain Text, the deck with the cards you want to export, and untick the Include Tags button. Click Export and save the file somewhere. Now let's open Neobloc and import our cards in. We'll click New Resource, Import from Anki, and upload the flashcard file we got from Anki. Neobloc will automatically parse the file and import your cards. You can make any changes you'd like, but for now I'll click Save and return to the library page. To turn the flashcards into a quiz, we can click on the three-dotted menu and select the Transform option. This allows us to turn our flashcard deck into any of the resource types shown on screen. I'm going to choose MCQ and turn this set of 10 flashcards into an MCQ with 10 questions. Now that the conversion finished, we can view our flashcard quiz and do it inside of Neobloc. This is a fantastic way to test your learning in more than one way, helping solidify your knowledge. That pretty much wraps up this demo. If you've got any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments or send me a message. Thanks for watching and have a great day.